that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's RODERICMARTEZ, and if this is your first time here, make sure you guys hit the big red subscribe button, like this video, and comment your thoughts down below. Also, if you like my content, make sure you hit the bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday hair routine, and this is probably like my most requested video like ever. Everybody always is either asking me, one, how do I get my hair this curly, or two, what products I use. So today I'm going to be showing you both of those. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to revive your wash and go, like if you don't want to wash your hair, condition, all of that, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it from the beginning. As you can see, I look a mess. This is how I woke up. Usually going to sleep, I just put my hair in a little puff so it doesn't completely get matted, and if I wanted to just walk out of the house, I could just do one of these and be okay. But I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna refresh my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys what I use. So first, I'm gonna start by showing you guys all the products that I use. Okay, so before we get into all of that, I want to let you guys know that the main thing that you guys need to have is a spray bottle. So one of these is very important. You can get a fancy one, you can get a regular one. I just got one for $1 from Walmart, and that is totally fine, but a spray bottle is where it's at. Next, I'm going to be showing you the products that I'm going to be using today. So this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Intensive Conditioning Treatment. I pretty much use this as a leave-in conditioner. Okay, so this is pretty much like my favorite leave-in conditioner, but it's from Mixed Chicks and it's pretty lightweight, so it works really good when refreshing my wash and goes. Again, this one is also one of my favorite. This is the Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream. This cream is kind of heavy, but it really gives a defined curl. So this here is the Afro-G Curlific Curl Defining Cream, and this cream does a really good job of defining your curls while also strengthening those strands. This is the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Define and Shine Custard. I use this product in place of a gel because it has a really good hold and it makes my hair very shiny, and I just really love this product. Lastly, but definitely not least, this is the Afro-G Curlific Hydrating Curl Serum. This product does a really good job of hydrating my curls and keeping them shiny. Okay, hey guys, so I just actually got out of the shower. As you guys can see, my hair is still drenched wet. But this is how I like to start off the process. So I've shampooed my hair, I deep conditioned my hair, and now we're here. This is what it looks like when absolutely nothing is in my hair. It is just wet. This is just water. This is all me, as you can see. So first we're gonna start out with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment. I use this as a leave-in conditioner, but so same as before, we're not gonna use that much, but we're gonna use a little bit more than a quarter amount because this is the first time you're putting product in your hair, and I like my hair to be nice, smooth, and I like it to have a little slip, so this is how much I'm gonna use. Boom. Okay, so after I do that, I'm gonna use a curl defining cream. So I'm gonna use the Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream. Voila. Again, generous amount, rub that in. So after the curl defining cream is in, I'm gonna take the Cantu Define and Shine Custard, but if you guys don't have this product, it's okay to use any type of gel. I really just like this because of the consistency of the product, and it's not too heavy, but it holds just like a really good gel. So it's really like slippery, but I'm not even gonna say what it looks like. But yeah, take that much. Okay guys, so at this point we're pretty much done, but I'm gonna finish off this routine by using the Afro-G Curlific Curl Hydrating Serum. Just because I really like this product, it keeps your hair looking healthy and shiny. Not that much, just a little bit. I don't know why, but I always do that after after I get done doing my hair. It gives me like some peace of mind and shows me that I actually have hair. I don't know, you know. But yeah, I have inches. So I'm gonna get ready and go to Tropical Smoothie with my granny because, you know, there's really nothing to do, and Tropical Smoothie has a drive-through. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my hair looks like when it's dry. Also, I'm gonna put a tutorial of how to refresh a wash and go after you just woke up after this. So yeah, bye guys. now, let's say I just woke up, this is the first thing that I would want to do. All I would do is just take this little scrunchie out of my hair, and as you can see, like, my hair is wild now. So voila, we're here and I look like a flame. Lava girl, very much. So I would start with my spray bottle, and I would just go in and get the hair all moist, I guess. So you really can do this as much to your liking as you want, but I like to have my hair pretty wet. That's just how I like it, so I think that at this point, we're set. So when I'm refreshing like my wash and go or when I wake up, I don't really want to use heavy products, so I'm going to start out with the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. And when you're refreshing, you don't really need that much because you already have product in your hair from the days before. So I didn't use that much, but it's like a quarter-sized amount. A lot of people tell me that I'm too rough with my hair, but it is what it is. This is what I like to do. So I'm just raking my hands through all of my curls. So as you can see, this is what we have now. Next, I'm gonna go with the AphoG Curlific Curl Definer. Again, not using that much product, just a little bit, maybe a quarter-sized amount. So depending on like how long your day is, this is where you would decide if you want to actually put a gel in. Usually a curl defining cream, depending on your hair texture, hair type, and how your hair dries, it should be able to hold. So my hair usually holds whatever curl, but if I have a long day, I know I'm going to be sweating, know I'm going to be active, then I'll probably put a gel in there, but we're on quarantine, so I'm not going to do that. So the last thing in my refreshing process would be this AphoG Serious Care and Protection Curlific Hydrating Curl Serum. I found this to be like really good in keeping my curls shiny and making them look healthy. So again, I didn't use a lot of this at all, maybe a quarter-sized amount. So this is done. Like, this is the refreshed process. My curls have been refreshed, and at this point, we're just waiting on it to dry. Hey guys, so I'm back, and this is my hair probably at about 85% dry. This is pretty much what it's gonna look like throughout the rest of the day. It might puff up a little bit more, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some pictures so you guys can see what it looks like when it's completely dry. But how I look in most of my videos is pretty much the final product. So, with all that being said, let's skip to the pictures, and this is probably the last time you guys are gonna see me live, at least on this video. So, peace be unto you.